Food is one of your most important resources when living off-grid. Check out our list of the very best foods you should be growing right now. Outcastland.com. Assuming you've already picked an off-grid homestead that has accommodating climate for having a decent garden, we're going to jump right into the food you should be growing and why you should be growing it. Herbs are often overlooked when planting a garden, but provide you with many uses and they should never be ignored. Many herbs have great medicinal benefits, as well as making the rest of the food you grow taste better. Combine that with the fact that herbs require very little space and no specialized care, it becomes a no-brainer. So without further ado, this is our must-have herbs list. Basil, which is a great source of vitamin K, manganese, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It's also a good source of calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. The oils can be extracted and used for treating cuts, wounds, and skin infections. Parsley has vitamin K, A, and C, and other antioxidants, which help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease, and cancer. Chamomile is great to treat various digestive issues, as well as relaxing and easing stress. Lemon balm can also assist in reducing stress and anxiety, promote sleep, improve appetite, and ease pain and discomfort from indigestion, plus smells great. Thyme has been linked to many health benefits, such as reduced inflammation and blood sugar levels, as well as increased blood flow. Echinacea, also known as the purple coneflower, can be used to shorten the duration of the common cold and flu and reduce symptoms such as sore throat, cough, and fever. Very handy when illness strikes. Lavender oil is believed to have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with minor burns and bug bites. Research even suggests that it may be useful for treating anxiety, insomnia, depression, and restlessness. Chives are rich in vitamin C, riboflavin, potassium, vitamin A, iron, beta-carotene, and provides a mild onion taste that goes great with tons of different dishes. Sage, which is also good for digestion and provides a bold, earthy, and slightly minty flavor. Dill, which most people are familiar with, has a great taste, smell, and is known to be good for the kidneys, as well as other health benefits. Now, when it comes to picking the foods that you want to grow, nutritional content should be number one, along with taste. You want plants that will give you the most in return for the effort you put in. With that being said, let's take a look at our list. There are several beans to pick from that are all excellent sources of protein, fiber, and fats. Chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, and black beans, just to name a few. Peanuts are surprisingly easy to grow, as well as a great source of protein and fiber. And who doesn't love peanut butter? Potatoes and sweet potatoes are quick and easy to grow, plus you can cook them in about 1 million different ways. Tomatoes have been linked to many health benefits like reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer, plus they're a great addition to a lot of recipes. Sunflower seeds are so high in nutrients they're considered a superfood. Plus, they make your garden look a lot nicer. Peas are quick and easy to grow, and they're packed with protein and healthy carbs for lasting energy. Squash is also considered a superfood. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and provides a ton of health benefits. Carrots are simple to grow and simple to prepare. They're also a great source of fiber and calcium. Beets are rich in vitamin B9, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, you really can't go wrong. They can be used 1 million different ways, are healthy, and taste amazing. Grapes, much like berries, are a no-brainer. They're a good source of potassium And if you're feeling ambitious, you can try your hand at winemaking. That pretty much wraps up our list of garden must-haves. If you think our list is incomplete or have suggestions to make it even better, please leave a comment below. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at outcastland.com.